Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need minimal prerequisites: a Windows account and awareness of the folder you'll work in. Once ready, open Start, type CMD, and optionally choose Run as administrator to gain permissions for system changes. Make sure to set your working directory with CD so commands target the right files, and use dir to verify contents. This prevents accidental edits elsewhere and gives you a controlled starting point for the commands you'll run next. Once in the right folder, you'll navigate with CD and inspect contents using dir. Use CD. To move up, you'll appreciate tab autocompletion to type long paths faster, and you can drag a folder from Explorer into the window to paste its path. To run something, type its name or the full path. Use to redirect output to a file and to pipe between commands so you can filter or chain operations. This speeds complex workflows and avoids temporary GUI. To finish, save any important output with file name. TXT or export your typed commands with DOSKey/history session. TXT, then cleanly close the window with exit. Make sure files you modified are present and that permissions are correct. If something goes wrong, first try running the prompt as administrator, because permission errors are common. Next, verify the path and the exact file locations you referenced. If a program isn't found, supplying the full path usually resolves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.